If you're dealing with the P0171 Toyota Vitz error code, it can feel overwhelming, especially if you're unsure what it means or how to fix it. Don't worry. This guide will walk you through the issue step by step and help you resolve it so your Toyota Vitz runs smoothly again. The P0171 error code means your vehicle's engine control module, ECM, has detected that the air-to-fuel mixture is too lean. In simple terms, there's too much air and not enough fuel being delivered to the engine. This imbalance can lead to poor performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and even potential long-term damage if left unresolved. Let's figure out what might be causing this issue in your Toyota Vitz and how you can address it. Start by inspecting the mass airflow (MAF) sensor. This component measures the air entering the engine, helping the ECM adjust the fuel mixture. A dirty or faulty MAF sensor is one of the most common causes of the P0171 Toyota Vitz code. Remove the sensor carefully and clean it with a specialized MAF sensor cleaner. Avoid using any abrasive materials that might damage it. Once it's clean and dry, reinstall it and clear the error code to see if the problem persists. Next, check for vacuum leaks. A damaged or disconnected vacuum hose can allow unmetered air into the engine, disrupting the air-fuel ratio and triggering the error code. Inspect all vacuum lines for cracks, tears, or loose connections. If you find any issues, replace or securely reconnect the hoses. The fuel system could also be the culprit. A clogged fuel filter or weak fuel pump might not deliver enough fuel to the engine. Begin by replacing the fuel filter. If it hasn't been changed recently, it's an inexpensive fix that could resolve the issue. If the problem continues, have the fuel pump pressure tested to ensure it's functioning properly. Another possibility is a faulty oxygen O2 sensor. This sensor monitors exhaust gases to ensure the air-fuel mixture is balanced. A malfunctioning O2 sensor might send incorrect data to the ECM, causing the P0171 Toyota Vitz error. Replacing the sensor might solve the issue, but confirm this with a diagnostic tool or mechanic before proceeding. After addressing these potential causes, clear the code using an OBD2 scanner and take your car for a test drive. If the code reappears, there might be a deeper issue, such as an intake manifold gasket leak or a problem with the ECM itself. In this case, consulting a professional mechanic is highly recommended. Resolving the P0171 Toyota Vitz code may take some troubleshooting, but with patience and a methodical approach, you can get your car back in top shape. Remember to perform regular maintenance to prevent similar issues in the future. If you're unsure about any of these steps, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance.